Hi boys and girls, welcome back for another week of fun in technology. This week we are going to be doing some more coding lessons. Last year when you were in first grade, we did several lessons in something called Code Studio. They were little games and puzzles that taught you some of the skills that you need to use for coding. We're going to go back into Code Studio this week and do some more lessons. This week our lessons are going to focus on learning how to use loops and repeat blocks in our coding, and we're going to add some other fun things on as well. I'm going to switch over to Code Studio and show you how to do today's activity on Code Studio. When you click on the link that I gave you in Seesaw, it will bring you here to Code Studio, and you're going to scroll down to this section right here called Loops, and we're going to do today number 8, Loops with Scrat. So when I click on number 1, if you were here last year in first grade, this might look a little familiar. We did some of these same kinds of games last year. I'm going to press OK. And remember, there is a speaker over here. It will read the directions to you.
Help Scrat across the slippery ice to get to the acorn.
So we need to use these code blocks to get Scrat to the acorn. So which direction does he need to move? He needs to move to the right, and how many spots? How many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to add 5. Move right, 4, 5. Okay, so I repeated that same move 5 times. Now when I run, let's see what happens. Okay, and then I'll continue.
Use both end blocks to get to the acorn.
So this time, Scrat needs to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks this way. And 1, 2 blocks down. You'll notice over here, there's a block called the repeat, and that's what you're going to learn how to use today. So instead of doing all these moves over and over again, I can use this block called the repeat. And you'll see right here, the repeat is a drop down, so I can switch how many times I want it to repeat my command. So we do want Scrat to move 5 blocks this way, but then we want him to move 2 blocks down to get to the acorn. So I'm going to change that. Oh, it doesn't even let me. So I guess I will have to just do 2 down. So it looks like it'll only let you use a repeat if it's more than 2. Now let's see what happens when we run it. Okay, so that is just a faster way to code instead of repeating the same command over and over again. It will explain the repeat block and loops in the video that comes at step 3, and then it will continue on after the video. You're going to continue on to level 12. Level 10 is a challenge, so when you get to level 10, if you're ready to try the challenge, you can click I'm ready. If you think it's going to be too hard, you can say skip for now, but it doesn't hurt just to try it. Even if you can't do it, it doesn't hurt to just do your best and see if you can do the challenge. When you finish the lesson for today, you can either submit a note in Seesaw or a photo of you doing the coding, just so that I know you completed today's assignment. If you have any questions, please send me an email or a note in Seesaw, or come and visit me during win time. All right, have fun doing your coding, and I will see you tomorrow.